Hi, I'm James. This is Simone. Welcome to Minerva Tech Talk.
So we've been a master distributor of Motorola solutions since 2009. And what we want to talk to you about today is some of the questions that we get asked on a day-to-day basis. Right. I mean, you spoke about functionality. What's the typical battery life on a radio like this?
Battery life is always very important, as you know, Simone. For this type of radio and its standard usage, with a Motorola defined 5590, which is the industry standard usage plot, 5590 being 5% of talk, 5% of listening, and 90% of idle time. A standard battery in this radio working digital should last 16 to 18 hours. GPS and data services may impact that lifespan, and if it does, we would recommend a higher capacity battery. Also, if the radio works in analog mode is not as efficient on battery life as digital mode because the radio is always transmitting or always receiving. So the 5590 model doesn't apply. If you're in analog mode, 8 hours. Again, if 8 hours isn't enough, you need 12 hours on an analog radio, then we would suggest moving to a higher capacity battery.
Great. I mean, you mentioned GPS. Does every radio have a GPS feature?
Not every radio has a GPS feature. To keep the price point accurate for the functionality that the customer needs, only certain radios have a GPS. So any Motorola radio that ends in a 1 will have GPS. So this radio, DP4400, 4800, is a non-GPS model. If it was a DP4801, it would be GPS compliant. So depending on your needs, we would not sell you a GPS compliant radio unless you currently need it or you foresee a need to use it in the near future.
Great. I mean, it makes that really simple for me to understand. So thank you so much for your time today. I hope we've been able to add some value. We've answered some of your questions and your queries. If you have anything else you're not sure about, contact us below. Our contact details are here. James, have you anything to add?
If you have any questions on a new or existing Motorola DMR system, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you.
So, from James and I, it's Tech Talk out.